LinkedIn is the gold mine of opportunities. With the right tools, there is no stopping you from achieving your career goals. That has been the vision of our team from the get-go, and that's why we built ConnectGenie, which is an AI assistant for LinkedIn. In the following few minutes, I will walk you through each of ConnectGenie's features one by one. ConnectGenie's commenting feature is our most hot-selling feature. If you go to any LinkedIn post, let's suppose that we go to Christopher's post and you go to its commenting section, you will see a ConnectGenie icon. Clicking on it will open the commenting toolbox. Here we have default tones. You can click any of these tones to create a comment. Let's suppose that we would like to create a comment that is informative. Simply click on it and it will write a comment for you. You can also add your own tone. Let's suppose that you would like to have a tone that can ask a question. So we name it question. This is a question tone. Here in this box, you write the prompt that you would like our AI system to behave with. Be a LinkedIn user and write a comment on this post in form of a question. The custom tone appears over here. You click on it and now the comment that will be generated will be in form of a question. See, there are different settings that you can use to configure your comments, like change the word count that you would like to have a comment that is less than 25 words or less than 50 words. You can even add certain keyword that you would like to include or exclude. Let's suppose good. Just add a comma and it will include over here. Here you can see that sample prompt updating at runtime. Bad, and you will see that the word has been excluded in the prompt instruction. You can also allow hashtag, and then the comment that will be generated will have hashtag included in it. Right now on LinkedIn post drafting model window. Since ConnectGenie extension has been installed, you can see some of the default topics that have been added by ConnectGenie. For example, this is a company update template in which you can input some information like company name, the update on which the post has to be written about, and some specific instructions so that our AI system can write the post according to your requirement. We have hiring template, we have personal milestone, we have thought leadership. You don't have to be restricted towards these templates only. These are only here to get you started with writing LinkedIn posts immediately. You can even add your own topic in which you can name the topic and add some instructions that our AI system can follow to create the LinkedIn post according to your requirement. For the starting point, we can use company update to write a LinkedIn post to give you a demonstration of how it works. So I have added some information in the company updates template. For example, company name is ConnectGenie AI. What is the update? Launched a new feature which helps LinkedIn user write LinkedIn posts effortlessly. I've added some instructions. Since this post that I'm trying to write is about actually this feature, I have actually added the instructions that are demonstrating the unique abilities of this feature. Instead of reading through these instructions, I will go to the settings to tell you what exactly are these unique capabilities. For example, you can choose among 12 different languages to write the post in. You can choose a different tone. You can have a different word count limit. You can use hook and meet. This is a very unique concept. Basically, if you choose these settings to remain on, the post that gets generated has two parts. One is hook, which is the actual engaging part which comes before the see more button, and meet is the actual informative information that you want to convey in your post. These are some of the other settings that you can check. Let's go back and generate the post to see how it looks. So you can see that in a matter of seconds, ConnectGenie has written a post for you. Now this is the hook. Big news from ConnectGenie AI. Ever struggled with crafting perfect LinkedIn posts? Wish there was a tool to make it easier and more efficient? We have heard your concern and we're thrilled to announce our newest feature. This innovative addition is designed to help you effortlessly write engaging LinkedIn posts. Here are some of the things that you can look forward to. Built-in topics, themes, as well as an option to add your own. Unique ability to create hooks that will leave readers wanting to click on the see more button. Embroidery format supports for brief yet impactful posts. Ability to craft posts in 12 different languages. And guess what? You get free credits when you sign up, so you can start using the tool absolutely for free. You can simply, if you like this post, click on the inject button and you will have a well drafted post written and injected for you. The post drafting feature does not end here. We have added the ability in this feature to write content for you when you are about to repost someone else's LinkedIn post. For example, Simon here has written a very good post and I would like to repost with my own thoughts. You can see the menu option has changed. Click on add your thoughts, generate post, and now you can see that ConnectGenie has written a post keeping the context of Simon's original LinkedIn post. It has a hook, it has a meat. Now if you'd like to inject, you can simply inject this and make edits to it and post it as you like. And this one is my favorite. ConnectGenie gives you a unique ability to preview your post how it looks like before you even post it. For example, I had previously generated some posts. I can just click on them and inject them. Now you can see your post looks like this. The part that comes before see more button, you can click over here to see more and see less. You can see that what kind how your post looks like in a tablet view or how it looks like in a mobile view. If you add an image, then ConnectGenie also shows you that how is your image going to look like when you inject that in your post. In line most used feature is ConnectGenie's personalized connection note request generator. Basically, if you would like to connect with Claudia, it's important that when you send her a connect request, you also add a note to it. And in that note, you can mention basically some mutual interest or how you like her work or if there are any mutual connections. So in order to do that, you would have to investigate Claudia's profile. And if you have so many prospects that you would like to connect with like this, it can take a lot of your time. With ConnectGenie's personalized connect note feature, you can do all of this with one single click of a button. Here, just click on this button and our AI will analyze Claudia's profile and create a note for you in seconds. Hey Claudia, I came across your profile and our mutual connection is Charlotte. You work as a marriage consultant caught my attention. I am interested in learning more about your approach to understanding the difference between male and female perspective in relation. Let's connect. You can simply copy this and send Claudia a connect request, add note. Maybe it's a little long, but you can just update it and send her a request accordingly. Here. You can even create connection request notes that refer your prospects' most recent LinkedIn post. Let's suppose that we would like to create a connection request note for Claudia that refers to this particular post. We go to this post. We go over here and we see a ConnectGenie icon. We click on it and create connect note. It will open this model window and now you can generate a note which will refer to this particular post. Dear Claudia, I recently read your insightful post on self-trust and its impact on relationship. Your perspective resonated deeply with me, especially the part about listening more than talking. So this post, when now you will send connection request to Claudia and you will refer to this post, Claudia will actually feel that her post is making an impact and people are trying to connect with her. And then it's a probability that she will accept your connect request. Now go to Claudia's profile and now when you want to send the connection request note, you can just view the note from here. Generated from post. These are some of the post notes that I generated previously. You can just copy them and then send them when you are sending the note. Since we have already sent her a request, so it's in pending, we cannot, but you can do that. Feature that I would like to tell you guys about is highlight post feature. This feature is used by our clients specifically to discover leads that are relevant to their niche. They also use it to make their content consumption more effective and engagement effort more laser focused. In order to use this feature, go to the ConnectGenie icon over here that is next to address bar and go to the highlight post and input the keywords that are relevant to your niche. Let's post marketing, advertising, marketing strategy, mental health. These are your important keywords that are relevant to your niche. Simply enable this feature and now when you will scroll through your LinkedIn feed, you will see posts with those keywords would get highlighted with this banner. It says mental health matched one time. That means mental health appeared on this post one time. So this is kind of an important post where you can engage with. Similarly, if we scroll a little down, you will see, okay, this post also got highlighted because marketing matched one time and strategy matched one time. So you can also engage with this post because this mentions the keyword that are relevant to your niche. Now I would like to introduce you guys to ConnectGenie's job cover letter writing feature. In order to see this feature, how it works, go to LinkedIn's job section, go to any job, you will see ConnectGenie icon. Click on, hover over it, and you will see the job menu option. Click on this and you will see this model window which has the job title, the company which has posted the job, the skills that have been required in this job, and the job description. Now you need to simply create a job profile. You can do that by either uploading a resume, which I can do that by simply doing that. Our AI will fetch all the details and create a job profile for you in a matter of seconds. See, the job profile section, it got updated with the resume that I posted. You can even import your LinkedIn profile to create a job profile. Let's suppose that I paste my LinkedIn profile URL over here and click import. It will go fetch the details from my profile, fetch all the skills, and then create a job profile that is based on my LinkedIn profile. Now you can simply generate a cover letter. Now this cover letter is a unique proposal that satisfies the job requirement according to my job profile, and it's very unique.